Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another unboxing from Missouri Star. I made this purchase because they had items on sale that I just couldn't resist, and taking advantage of the 20% discount that was offered in the month of March, it was too good. I could not pass that up. So you may be asking, what 20% discount? What are you talking about? Again, I'm really glad you asked. The discount is something that is offered to those of us who participate in the Missouri Star Partner Program. So I am a member of the Partner Program and I get a couple of bonuses for doing that. One bonus is that I get to make selections and receive what I'm going to call a monthly PR box. So that's one bonus. Another bonus is that being in the program, I am assigned like a particular link, and when you shop using my link, you get the discount. Now the everyday discount is 15%. Right now, they have extended their 20% discount through the remainder of April. So as I'm filming this, we are in April of 2024 and you can still get that 20% discount. How do you get it? You get it by following through the link that I'll provide you. It will be in the description. I'll also pin it in the first comment of the video. When you click that link, it will take you to the Missouri Star website. You just shop as normal, and then when you get into the checkout process, the discount will automatically come off. And let me tell you, the discount works on sale items. So what you're going to see in today's box are all items that were on sale, and I purchased those. This is with my own money, I purchased them. And not only did I get the fantastic sale price, I got another 20% off. If you're not familiar with Missouri Star, they have like their deal of the day is what they call it. They'll have a deal of the day. Sometimes they'll do like a weekend special where they'll just do like blowout prices on stuff. So that's what I did. I found a couple of items that I can use as backgrounds or as blenders or whatever. They're like neutrals. I can get a lot of use out of them. So, and the price, it was like, it wound up being like $6.20, I think, a yard. I mean, we're getting into Joann fabric territory at this point. And I just felt like I couldn't turn that down. So I didn't. All right, without any further ado, I'm gonna turn the camera and let's get into the box and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here we are on the table and let's see what we've got in this box. Oh, we have a different flat chuck. So this one says, this is the 2024 flat chuck. Chuck's birthday is on April 24th. Oh, okay. So that must be why we have another 20% discount going this month to celebrate Chuck's birthday. So anytime that you make projects using Missouri Star products, you can take your little flat chuck. You don't have to use flat chuck. You can just take a picture of your project. And if you post on Instagram, use that hashtag and people can find your projects. Okay, ooh. All right, so as I was telling you, all of this stuff was on sale. And as I buy my groceries, this is how I'm starting to get with my fabric, with everything in my life. If I can't get it on sale, I'm probably not going to buy it anymore because everything is just too darn expensive, as we all know. So, got a few things. This is something, I haven't tried this before, so I'm moving into this. This is Sallie Tomato, which Sallie Tomato is a design line for bag making and really cute patterns if you haven't seen them. and they sell what they call zipper tapes. And this is a much more cost-effective way to purchase your zippers. This is 3 yards worth of zippers and you get 9 pulls. And this was on sale for something. And then I got that 20% discount and I got this for like $7. And if you have bought nylon zippers in Joann, you know, they're very expensive. Even the sale price, I'd be lucky. Well, sometimes they'll have the buy 3, get 2 free type of thing, but still, it's fairly limited on what you're going to get. This is 3 yards. That's 9 feet of zipper pull. That's quite a bit. And it's really super pretty. This one is beige with rose gold. And it looks like metal, but it's nylon. And so you can sew with it just like I've shown you in other zipper project videos where you just sew over the zipper coil and it's not a problem. This is the same way, which is so nice. So I got this one in a beige and this one is in a burgundy. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh. I think it's beautiful. So I'm excited to try these out. If you can't tell by now, I'm planning more bag projects for you. So get ready for that. This I wanted to try out. I heard good things about them. These are the Missouri Star 45mm rotary blade refills. And I've heard really great things about them, and so I got them. And I'll tell you, I had a real problem the last time I changed, well, 2 times ago. I changed out my cutter, and I had Fisker's blades on hand. And it was just butchering everything I cut. And brand new blade. So I only used it for 1 night, and I didn't cut that much. And I was like, this is really not going well. So I changed it the next day. It was better, and it's still not great. So I decided to try the Missouri Star because they are definitely better priced than the Olfa. But as you know, Olfa is the gold standard on everything. And there's a reason for that. So we'll try those out. And this is what I got for fabric. And it was all on sale, including this beauty, which is Ruby Star, of course. And this is from the Flowerland collection, and it's called Fluttering. And this is the goldenrod colorway. It is so pretty. So it was on sale, and then I got that 20% off, which just makes it, I mean, it's almost too good to pass up. And these items, okay, these are all batik. And they were, what was it? There was a special where you could get like a 2-yard cut for like $12 or something. And then I got that 20% off. So these wound up being like $6 a yard. So I wound up getting this one. It's called Tulips in Milk. This is a 2-yard cut. Maybe I got 2 of these. This looks different though. This is called Tulips in Milk, also a 2-yard cut. That's supposed to be the same thing. They look very different. And then this one is called Mums and Sweet, a 2-yard cut. So I guess what I did was I bought 2 yards in that blush color, and then I was going for 4 yards with this one, but oh, they look so different. It's very interesting. So I guess they pre-cut this stuff into 2-yard increments. It's called Anthology Fabrics. It's very nice, very heavy duty. And again, you know, the lighter colors. You know, I've learned to invest a little more money. Let me see if I can, let me change the shutter on that. Hold on. Okay, that's a little better. You can see that a little more clearly. It's very light. Anyway, low volumes. I have learned the importance of the low volumes. And it's also very nice if you have more than one low volume in a project. It can be. You can use the low volume as part of your color design in addition to your prints. That Bauhaus quilt, it was very interesting because I tried my best to use the colors that Bridget used when she designed it, and I learned a lot about color doing that. So that's funny that these are supposed to be the same, because they do not seem the same to me. It must have been from 2 different print runs or something. I don't know. I'll still use them, obviously, but that is interesting. So just know that if you buy these anthology pre-cut packages, they may or may not match. You may or may not get an exact color match. So know that going in. But you're still going to wind up getting a 2-yard cut for like $6. It's just very hard to turn away something like that. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, that was one of their, like they had it as a weekend deal. So there we have that. And Ruby Star, I'll tell you something, I'll never turn down Ruby Star on sale. Look how it matches so well. So like if you needed a low volume blender, even that goes. You know, I've said before to you that I oftentimes will regard a pink as a neutral, and it just blends so well with everything. And zipper tapes and blade refills. And I'm probably going to change that blade again, and we'll try one of these with a fresh project. And then our adorable little Chuck. So that's what I picked up in this particular box. And I don't remember what I paid for it, but I can put that on screen. I'll have to go back and pull the order on the website, and I'll tell you what I paid. But yeah, I am very happy. I think it's beautiful. I'm very excited to start using some of these zipper tapes. And yeah, moving on from there. Okay, everybody, that is the video for today. Thank you as always for being here. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up. I hope it gives you some ideas, not only for different ways to expand your thought process on your quilting and sewing, but also just it's always fun to see what other people get. Okay. All right, that's it. We'll call this video done, and let me just say thank you as always for being here. I totally appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video, and until then, happy quilting.